how to enable Type to Siri on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how to enable Type to Siri on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. Open up your settings app and then go to accessibility and then scroll down and search for Siri. Just tap on it, it's under General, and then you can see Type to Siri option, toggle it on. And now when you press and hold the side button or say Hey Siri, Siri will allow you to type your request rather than speaking them. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.